Anyway, everyone,
Morning, ma'am.
okay, so let's not waste the time and let's start the lecture. My sound is not coming clearly. Everyone is facing the same problem.
Okay.
Okay, so I think, see, as soon as my Wi-Fi is coming, I'm connecting
Ma'am, the sound is breaking.
to that right now. I'm anyways, let's start the lecture directly from
Ma'am, we don't
whatever.
understand, ma'am.
Yes, actually, see, whenever you are unmuting yourself, I'm facing the same problem. Your sound is too much breaking. Anyway, everyone, what we have completed in the yesterday's lecture, let's revise quickly and then we will go forward. You can write it into chat box. Yes, I'm waiting. What we have done in yesterday's lecture. Switch networks, virtual circuit network. Yes. And then after studying that, we have observed that how much delay will be there, which are the three different phases, and what will happen in those. We were talking about the circuit switching. Is it the same switch what we have at our home? No, right? There will be some structures which different type of structures can be used as a switch. So we have started a structure of switching work, how the structure of switch will be. So I told you yesterday that there will be two Okay. Hello, am I audible, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And is the sound will be okay, or there is still a problem? Yeah. Okay. Fine. Great. So, let me again present my screen. Okay, fine. So, what we have stopped from is we were discussing the type of structure of switching, right? One was the space division switching. Which was the second one? Yes, everyone. Which was the second technique? Time division. Yes, correct. Ravi is saying that time division. So, yes, we have studied two types of, actually, we have categorized only, right? Space division switching and the time division switching, in which we have started with the first one, space division switching. Again, in that, there are two types of techniques. One is the crossbar switching, and second is the multi-stage switching. Crossbar switching we have already completed. Let me show you the PPT. So see, in this, we have studied this crossbar switching, in which I told you one disadvantage, that if number of inputs are 3 here, number of outputs are 4, so total number of cross points we require is 3 into 4, 12. right? But whenever we are using this type of crossbar switching in a real network, actually the number of users are very high, right? The number of users, the number will be very high. So let's say, for example, I'm taking an example that, let's say, 1000 that is 10 lakhs, and it's a very big number, right? So 10 lakh cross points are required, and that is not the only disadvantage. The another disadvantage is we are not going to use those 10 lakh points effectively, because at a time, we all know, right, at a time all 1000 users don't want to connect with the other users, right? So only actually they have said that maximum capacity, or you can say that maximum number of cross points used at a time are not more than the 25%, right? So 25% is maximum number of cross points which are being used actually, right? The remaining 75% of cross points are remained idle, right? So that is again one more disadvantage. To remove this disadvantage, and how this disadvantage will be removed, that we will do by the calculation, right? But they are saying that to remove this disadvantage, we are going to use one multi-stage switch, right? So another type of space division switching, that is multi-stage switching. So yes, name itself says that there are multiple stages in which we are connecting the crossbars. So see, these all are the crossbar switching what we have seen here. Sorry, here. Right, for example, here three inputs are there, four outputs are there. Now if you will consider this one crossbar, then n number of inputs are there, k number of outputs are there, right? So n cross k crossbar, second crossbar, and so on. Multiple crossbars are there. Same way here, k number of crossbars are there. Here again, k cross n is the size of this crossbars. So number of crossbars are there here also. So total number of inputs are capital N, let's say. Total number of outputs are capital N. So what you have to do first into the multi-stage switching, you have to divide this number of inputs in group of n inputs, group of small n inputs. For example, let's say 200 inputs are there, right? I repeat, for example, 200 inputs are there. 200 is capital N. Okay, you are dividing this 200 into, let's say, 10 groups. I repeat, you are dividing this 200 inputs into 10 groups. So each group will be having 20 number of inputs. 20 into 10 will be 200, right? So 20 number is small n. 200 is capital N, 20 is small n. So total 10 such groups are there. So 10 crossbars will be required, right? In this 10 crossbar switching, what are the number of inputs? N. And what are the number of outputs? Let's say another number is K. Now what is K? N you know, right? Which is the number of inputs, a part of the total number of input. But what is K? So K is again the number of crossbars which are sharing the links, sharing the path, sharing the route. Okay, so for example, let me give you the example so that you can understand it very easily. For example, from here, first crossbar switching, one input is coming, one output is going to the first crossbar, and from the second number of crossbar, again one output is going to the first crossbar. Again from the last number of crossbar, one output is going to the first crossbar, and so on. Number of inputs are connected here. So one output from each crossbar from the stage 1 is going to the crossbar of the middle stage, stage number 2. Okay, so what we are actually doing is this crossbar switching, this crossbar switch network will be shared by all the outputs coming from here. Okay, so here if you will see, they are saying that n cross k, n inputs, k outputs. So how many total number of crossbars are there? So they are saying that capital N upon small n. Yes, I told you, right? 200 and this is 20. So 200 by 20 is 10. So yes, we have divided into 10 groups. So total 10 number of crossbars are there. Okay, here they are saying that k crossbars. So let's say assume some k. K is, let's say, 5. Okay, assume that k equal to 5. Okay, so 5 number of crossbars are there. which are sharing the outputs coming from the previous 10 crossbar networks. Again, last stage, stage number 3, is mirror image of the stage number 1. Why I'm saying a mirror image? Because whatever number of outputs are here, that is the number of input in the last stage, and whatever number of inputs were there in the stage 1, that will be the output, number of outputs into the last stage. So what will be the input and outputs? K cross N instead of N cross K. And how many total number of crossbars are there? So again, yes, I want the same 200 number of outputs, right? Same 200 number of outputs, and each 200 output will be divided into 10 groups. So yes, 10 crossbars will be there in the last stage. Now, if we are dividing in such a way, number of inputs and number of outputs, we are getting same, n cross n. But we are dividing this n into number of groups. We are sharing some of the crossbars in the middle stage, and we are saying that this multi-stage switching will give you the advantage over crossbar switching. So what can be the advantage? In a crossbar, what was the disadvantage? That number of cross points were very high, right? So here the number of cross points should be less, right? Number of cross points should be less, then it will be possible, otherwise not. So what will be the number of cross points into the multi-stage switching? Here you can consider that what is the number of cross points? Number of input multiplied by number of output, right? So 3 cross 4, that is 12. So for example, if you are saying that here also capital N number of input and capital N number of outputs are there, then what will be the number of cross points? Capital N into capital N, that is N square. So N square will be the number of cross points in this case. So what will be the number of cross points in this case? Okay, someone is asking one question, just a minute. Here we are giving input, processing with crossbar switching and gaining output. So will this combination of crossbar increases the use of cross points? No, 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 no. Actually, yes, it will be increases. Yeah, it will increase the use of cross points also, and it will decrease the number of cross points also. Why it will increase the use of cross points? Because they are sharing, right? They are sharing the number of cross points. So obviously, if one input is using second input is also using the cross points, then what will happen? That input is also using the first crossbar of the network. Number of cross points. So yes, it will increase. So Suman, your question is correct. The number of inputs are it will sharing. Okay, and sharing lab, right? Only, let's say only computer engineering student will use the computer labs. I repeat, only computer engineering students will use the computer lab. Then what will happen? That in their slot only that computer lab will be used, right? At the remaining time, that lab will be free. So whenever that lab is free, we cannot do one thing, that we can assign that lab to the IT student, EC student, and some other students, right? So same way, if you are sharing the resources, that resource use will be increased. Easy to understand, Suman? Yes, Suman, are you getting your answer? Fine. So, yes, whenever you are sharing the resources, always the use of the resources will be increased, as well as here the number of cross points will also decrease. So how the number of cross points will decrease, that we will do by one calculation. So see here, they are saying that in a three stages with n plus k into n by n whole square. How it is coming? So let me tell you. So what will happen? How many total number of cross points, right, are there that we want to calculate? I repeat, how many total number of cross points are there that we want to calculate? So let me open the paint and let me do the calculation. Okay. So see, first n crossbars, right? So let me write it into the paint. Total number of crossbars are capital N by k number of output, right? So total, how many cross points are there in the stage 1? N cross k multiply by how many crossbars are there? N by n. So n by n multiply by n cross k. Okay. Plus, what is the total number of cross points in the second stage? N by n cross n by n, and how many crossbars are there? K. Right? So how many inputs are coming from here? N by n, because total n by n crossbars are there. One input is coming from each crossbar. So n by n crossbars, n by n into n by n is the number of cross points in one crossbar. How many total number of crossbar switches are there? K. So k into n by n multiply by n by n. Plus, what is the total number of cross points in the third stage? How many total number of crossbars are there? Capital N by N. And what is the total number of cross points A cross N? So let me write it there also. Capital N by N multiply by K cross N. So total number of cross points required are this much. Okay, are you getting? Stage 1 cross points are this much. Stage 2 number of cross points are this much. Stage 3 number of cross points are this much. Right, so let's do the total. So what will be the total? Can I say this is divide by n, this is multiply by n. So this n and n will be cancelled out. Let me do it. So this n, sorry, this n and this n will be cancelled out. Same way here. This n and this n will be cancelled out. Okay, so what will be the equation? Let me write it here. Here n into k. Here also n into k. So can I say 2kn? Or let me write directly 2kn plus, what is this? K into n by n into n by n means n by n square. So can I say k into capital N by n whole square? Right, it is square, okay? So 2kn plus k into n by n whole square. So same is written over here. See, 2kn plus k into n by n whole square. Are you getting, everyone, how the number of cross points into this multi-stage switching will be like this? Everyone, any doubt in this equation? So number of cross points in the multi-stage network will be 2kn plus k into n upon n whole square. And they are saying that which single stage means one crossbar switching, right? So in a crossbar switching, I told you, right, that if the number of inputs are capital and number of outputs are capital, in that case, right? So let us take one example to understand this. Design a three-stage 200 cross 200 switch, where it means n equal to 200, capital N equal to 200, with small k equal to 4 and small n equal to 20. Everyone, I repeat, let me write it here so that you can understand. Capital N equal to 200, small k
equal to, just a minute, small k equal to 4, small n equal to 20. Small k equal to 4, small n equal to 20. Okay, now can you tell me that what will be the number of cross points into the multi-stage network and what will be the number of cross points into the crossbar switching network?
So what will be the number of cross points into crossbar? And what will be the number of cross points into the multi-stage? Hello, am I audible? Hello. Breaking audible. number of cross points into cross
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am.
Hello, Sampan, you were saying something. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Your sound is not clear and also screen.
It is not clear yet. My sound is not
Ma'am,
clear now.
it's clear now.
Yes. Okay. Okay, fine. So, yes, someone was telling me that answer is 560, Suman, I think. So, how it came 560? Small k equal to 4, capital N equal to 200, small n equal to 20. So see, number of cross points into the crossbar will be n square, right? So capital N is 200. So 200 square means how much? Suman, it is capital N, not 20. It is 200. 2 into 4 into 200 plus 4 into n by n square. N by n is yes, n square. It is correct. But here instead of 20, you have to write 200. You get the correct answer. See the equation again. 2k capital N is 200 here. Okay, so Suman is saying it is 2000 now. Okay, fine. So 2000 is the number of cross points in the multi-stage, right? So what will be the number of cross points into the crossbar? Capital N square. Half capital N square will be 500. $40,000, Ravi. It's not 4,000. 200 into 200. It is 40,000. So yes. So see, if you are going to use cross points into the crossbar switching, then it will be 40,000 cross points. But if you are going to use the multi-stage switching, then it will be 2,000 instead of 40,000. So see the difference in the number of cross points. Here it is 2,000 and here it is 40,000. So vast difference. But obviously, every switching has their own disadvantage. So what can be the disadvantage in multi-stage switch? Can anyone say? What can be the disadvantage in this type of switching, multi-stage switching? Sagni is saying that, can you explain the middle stage? So see, in the middle stage, what we are doing actually, that from the stage 1, from every crossbar, one input is going to first crossbar, second input is going to second crossbar, and so on. How many outputs are there? K. So total K number of crossbars are required in stage 2. Okay, so cross points in one crossbar are in a sharing mode. So tell me, what can be the disadvantage in this one? Multi-stage switching. I think I told you yesterday also. Disadvantage of multi-stage switching. Can anyone assume what can be the disadvantage? There is not any extra switch for accessing more data. Okay. See here, let me tell you, in the crossbar switching also, once you in the cross switch, number of inputs and outputs will be fixed. Right? Once you will design the crossbar switch in which you can connect, let's say, n number of input and n number of output, it is fixed. You cannot increase the number of input and output. Okay. The same way in the multi-stage switching will also be there. But what is the disadvantage of multi-stage switching? That whenever someone are sharing the resources, then there can be a problem of let's say overlapping. Overlapping means, for example, one path is shared by one data, right? One input, and second input wants to choose the same path, wants to use the same cross point. Then what it needs to do? It has to wait for some time, or it will not be able to pass from that route because that route is already been used by the first input, right? So this problem is known as a blocking into multi-stage switching. It will be the blocking condition for the another input if that cross point path will be used by already one another input. Okay, So this blocking problem can be there whenever sharing resources are there. For example, same example whatever I have given to you about the computer lab, right? For example, if computer lab, one of the computer lab is being used by let's say IT students, right? And if another class students want to use the same lab, then either they have to change the time slot or they have to wait for some time, right? Anyway, they cannot use that lab in that duration. Okay, so that is known as a blocking problem in the multi-stage switching. Okay, so sometimes it can be happened also if the uses or traffic in the network is high. If the traffic is high, then and then this type of problem occurs, otherwise not. So clear everyone? Crossbar switching and multi-stage switching. So whatever example I told you, that is yes, 40,000 cross points in a crossbar switch, 2,000 cross point into the three-stage switches, that is multi-stage switches. So any doubt up to here, space division switching to anyone? Now the next is time division switching. Okay, multi-stage still not clear. Okay, Ravi, you can ask the particular question. Okay, in a multi-stage only, right? In a multi-stage there is a problem. Let me, yeah, multi-stage switching I'm repeating. Okay, so everyone see this figure, multi-stage switching. Let me tell you what is happening into it, into this. So if we are going to use crossbar switching, then for n number of input and n number of output, we will require capital N cross points, right? But if we will allow the multiple paths inside the switch, then we can decrease the number of cross points. I repeat, if we can allow the multiple paths, right, inside the switch, then what we can do is we can decrease the number of cross points. Each cross point in this middle stage, stage number 2, right, it can be accessed by multiple cross points in the first and third stage. So what will be happened? For example, first input is going from here, right? So first input is coming to this crossbar, and in this crossbar there are so many cross points. Okay, so this cross points are connected with the multiple paths. For example, this one can be connected to the first number of output through this path also, right? One number output is connected through this path also. Any path you can follow. Are you getting this? Any path you can follow. What is the condition? Either the path will be bigger or the traffic will be less, right? So what we are doing is we are sharing this path, right? This path, let's say if we are choosing, then this path can be used by one number input, one number output also, one number input, two number output also, two number input, two number output also, right? So this path can be shared by multiple input and multiple output. So same way, what I'm doing is in the middle stage, right, number of cross points, whatever number of paths, whatever are there, can be shared. These are the number of paths, right, can be shared by number of outputs coming from the stage 1 and number of inputs coming going to the stage 3. So whenever we will design this three-stage switch, we need to follow some of the steps. First step is we can divide the capital N number of input into number of groups. Each group is having small n number of inputs. Okay, for each group, small number of inputs are there. So what will be here? That n number of inputs there. Consider first cross. So it will be like this. Consider that this small and this small k. Okay, this is small n, this is small k. So this is one crossbar, that is this one. In small k output. Same way, we are designing another crossbar of same size, smaller. So how many number of crossbars required into the stage one? So that depends that how we have divided the total number of input to group. We divided here into, let's say, 10 groups. So 10 crossbars are required. Okay, now for the second stage, we use k number of crossbars. Why k number of crossbars? Because k number of outputs are coming from first stage. K number of outputs are coming from the first stage. So what will happen? That k number of crossbars are required. So what will be the size of this crossbar? This size of the crossbar will be number of groups. How many groups are there? 10, let's say. So 10 cross 10. Why? Because why 10 cross 10? Because whatever number of inputs are there, that the same number of outputs will be there. Okay. So in the third stage, what we are going to do, that how many outputs are coming from the middle stage, n by n. So total n by n crossbars are required. And what will be the size? So how many crossbars are there here? K. So k inputs will come to the first crossbar, k input will come to the second crossbar, and so on. Right? So k number of inputs be there, and how many outputs will be there? Obviously n, because we want the capital. Yeah. If the capital N is the input, and let's say capital N by 2 is the output, capital N by 2 is the output, then the size is different. Are you getting here? Then the size of the crossbars can be different. But this is the easiest example taken to explain you the number of inputs and number of outputs are same. Okay, then the number of crossbar connections will be very easy. Okay, and after this, you have to understand that what is the total number of points required. So we already done the calculation into the P, right? The total number of cross required, number of cross point in the first stage, number of cross point in the second stage, and number of cross points in the third stage. So you get the 2kn plus k into n by n whole square, which is always smaller than the number of cross points into the
संपन्न मैम भाग गई संपन्न तो 3-4 दिनदेखि किन क्लास आइरहेको थिइनस्
छु त क्लासमै छु म सधैँ
कहाँ थिइस् 2-3 दिन यही क्लासमा थिइनस् पीको त
पियु क्लासमा थिएन म
प्रोजेक्ट बनाइस्
के को प्रोजेक्ट
त्यही रे त्यो के भन्छ नि त्यो पीको त्यो केस स्टडी वाला बनाइस्
क्लास रेकर्ड हुँदैछ पछि कुरा गर्ने ल
ठीक छ
कन्फर्म गरिदिनु त्यहाँ पनि फिल्डमा पढ्दैन हुन्छ इन्डियातिर अब दाइसँग सोधेको के गर्ने कसो गर्ने अहिले राजकोटमा पढ्नुहुन्छ हजुर 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 साथीहरूलाई तपाईँबाट सुनेर
शून्य सम्पन्न
हजुर हजुर
अब भन्।
कुणाल सरको क्लास 12-15 देखि छ हैन?
हजुर हजुर
कुणाल सरको त 12-15 देखि छ हैन?
हो
ठीक छ।
Hello everyone. Kindly write your enrollment number for today. Yeah, everyone write your enrollment number without fail. See in the chat box once again. Let me show you the screen. If your number is not coming into this, then kindly write it again. Okay, numbers are starting from here. 119, 167, and so on. Okay, so after writing your number, you can leave the meeting now.